Assalamu alaikum. This is Ashraf from Android Car Accessories. Look, this is 2020 Nissan Patrol. Okay, when they arrive this car, it has only one rear camera. Okay, we install 360 4-way cameras in this car. Look the quality of this camera, the same as original. You can control with original system. This is original mouse. Look, you can control the view of your 360 cameras. There's a side view, okay, rear and side, front. This is 3D view. Look, it's original OEM navigation. Just press the back button. It's turned with the 360 cameras. Okay. You can also use the screen touch for control of your cameras. It's a 3D view. Look, you can move, you can control, see the whole alignment of your car. Inch by inch is exact. Look, this is a front view. Front, right and left, and 3D and rear and right and left. Okay, this is a DVR menu. You can also record your video and with any camera. This is the option of USB. We put the USB in glove box. Just insert your USB. Okay, you can record the video also. Look the quality of cameras. Check the quality. Better than original. This is the original view camera. Look the quality. You see the difference. It's a 4D technology, only available on Android Car Accessories Alain, Sanaya Jadid, New Sanaya, behind the post office. If anyone need, just contact me on my number. Okay, we have a special price and offer for you. I waited for you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.